Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Children, this is your maths class, okay? And last week you all have learned how to read time. Yes? So, children, today we are going to continue with the same topic. That means today we will continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 11, time, okay? And we'll do book work. So, I want you all to take out your maths book and open page number 139, okay? So, children, last week you all have learned that with the help of a clock or watch, we can read time. Okay, it tells us time. So, children, let us revise it once again. So, children, this is the face of a clock, and the numbers from 1 to 12 are written on its face. It has two hands. This long hand is minute hand, and this short hand is hour hand. Okay, and in 1 hour, the hour hand moves from one number to the next one number. Okay, it takes 1 hour to move from one number to the next. Okay, and in 1 hour, the minute hand, it completes one round. Okay, and when the minute hand points at 12, at number 12, and the hour hand points at 4, the time is 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock can also be written as 4, 2 dots and 0, 0 like this, okay? And children, we can also read time with the help of wall clock. This is a table clock and we set alarm on it. This is a wrist watch which wear on our wrist. This is a picture of a digital clock, okay? Children, now let's come to page number 139, okay? First of all, write down today's date, 25/1/21, okay? Now let's read the question. What does M-A-L-A, Mala, do and when? What does Mala do and when? Write the time in two ways. So children, here you can see the picture of a girl is given whose name is Mala, okay? And what does she do and when? We have to read and write the time, okay? So one has been done for you. Let us read. Mala gets up at, here you can see there's a picture of clock is given. So let us read the time. You can see the hour hand is on number 6 and the minute hand is on number 12. So what is the time? Yes, it is 6 o'clock. And 6 o'clock can be written like this. 6, then colon mark, then after 0, 0. Okay? These two dots are known as colon mark. Okay? Now let's move to the next. Number 2. She gets ready for school by. She gets ready for school by. Here, children. So here you can see the hour hand is on number 7 and the minute hand is on, yes, 12, number 12. Okay, it is on number 12. So what is the time? Yes, it is 7 o'clock. So how will you write? You will write like this, 7 O apostrophe, a comma you have to give your, then C-L-O-C-K, clock, 7 o'clock. And we can also write 7 o'clock like this, 7, then after this is colon mark, then 0, 0, okay? 7 o'clock. Now let's move to the next one. She comes back from school at, she comes back from school at what time? Yes, the hour hand is on number 2 and the minute hand is on number 12. So what is the time? Yes, it's 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. You will write like this, and then after you can also write 2 o'clock like this, 2, then after colon mark, then 0, 0, 2 zeros you have to write here, okay? I hope you all have understood. Now let's move to the next one, number 4. She goes to play at what time? Yes, the hour hand is on number 5 and the minute hand is on number 12. So what is the time? Yes, it is 5 o'clock. So write like this, 5 o'clock. And we can also write like this, 5, then after colon mark, then after 0, 0. Okay? Now let's move to the next, number 5. She finishes, F-I-N-I-S-H-E-S, finishes her dinner, D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner, by. She finishes her dinner by, yes, small hand, the short hand, yes, that means the hour hand is on number 8 and the minute hand is on number 12. So what is the time? Yes, 8 o'clock. So write like this, 8 o'clock. Okay, and we can also write 8 o'clock like this, 8, 2 dots or colon mark, and then after 0, 0. Next, number 6. She goes to bed at, you can see the hour hand is on number 9 and the minute hand is on number 12. So what is the time? Yes, it is 9 o'clock. Okay, how will you write? You can also write 9 o'clock like this, 9, then colon mark, then after 0, 0. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Next question B. Draw the hour hand on each clock to show the time. Draw the hour hand on each clock to show the time. Remember, R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R, remember. The hour hand is shorter, S-H-O-R-T-E-R, shorter than the minute hand. So children, you all have learned that a clock has 2 hands, the minute hand and the hour hand. So both the hands are required to read the time. So here in this first clock you can see the hour hand is on number 8 and the minute hand is on number 12. So what is the time? Yes, it is 8 o'clock. Okay, so here you can see both the hands are given. Now let us move to the next clock. Here you can see the minute hand is on number 12 and what time is written here? 10 o'clock. So we have to draw the hour hand where? Here, number 10. Okay, we will draw the hour hand here to show the time. What time is it? Yes, it is 10 o'clock. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Here you can see the minute hand is on number 12 and what time is written here? 4 o'clock. So where we have to draw the shorthand? Yes, here on number 4. So draw it like this. Okay, okay, now next one, number 4. What time is written here? 2 o'clock. You can see the minute hand is on number 12. So we have to draw the shorter hand or the hour hand here on number 2 like this. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Now let's move to next page, number 140. Now let's read question C. Draw the hands of the clock to show the time given in the box. Okay, draw the hands of the clock to show the time given in the box. Okay, so children, you can see the pictures of clocks are given here. So what we have to do, we have to draw both the hands to show the time. So in the first clock you can see both the hands of this clock is given here. You can see the hour hand is on number 9 and the minute hand is on number 12. So what is the time? It is 9 o'clock. Okay, now let's move to the next clock. Here you can see the time is given 1 o'clock, but in this clock both the hands are not given or drawn. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to draw the hands of this clock. So what is the time? 1 o'clock. So we will draw the hour hand here on number 1. Okay, and the minute hand we will draw here, okay, on number 12. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Now let's move to the next clock. This is 7 o'clock. So where we will draw the hour hand here on number 7. Okay, then after the minute hand here on number 12. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Now let's move to the next one. 5 o'clock. So where we will draw the minute hand here on number 12, and where we will draw the hour hand here on number 5. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Now I hope children you all have understood how to read the time, how to write the time in 2 ways, and how to draw the 2 hands of a clock. Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. That's all for today, children. We will meet in the next video. Till then, complete your work. Okay, bye bye.